during this part of the project, what you're going to want to do is to proofread and organize all the information you've already collected. This is going to make the last part of the project much easier. So you want to reread each fact that you collected, make sure it's in a complete sentence, and make sure that it makes sense the way it's written. For example, he was born 14 March 1879. Well, we don't really write dates that way. So you want to change that. And you can even combine some facts together. I'm going to select this, Command X to cut it, Command V to paste, and make that into a sentence. And then I'll delete what I don't need. So I'm checking the dates now, 1879, 1880. He got married 1903 and divorced and then married again. And this information probably should not be with growing up. So I'm going to move that. I'm going to cut it. And then I'm going to paste it later on. Even though this isn't really part of what motivated him, it goes with that time period of when he was becoming famous. Okay, so then this sentence here, his father once showed him a pocket compass. Okay, this should go up in growing up. And this also, it's when he was 17 and then he enrolled in a course at college. That could be the beginning of motivation, or it could be the end of growing up. Either way. As he grew, he did this. So that's probably going to go here during his childhood. And then 1903, there was something else that was 1903. It was right here. I'm going to leave the information about his marriages together, but this also I'm going to leave it right after there because it was the same time. And then biggest accomplishments, he developed the general theory of relativity, one of the two pillars of modern physics, period. He's best known in popular culture for his mass energy equivalence formula, E equals mc squared. I'm going to leave that. He received the 1921. Okay, so 1921. Maybe this should go up as the first part in this section. And add a period. 1921. 1933, 1940. I want to make sure everything's in chronological order, even if it has to go to a different section. Because each of these facts are going to be separated in the last part of this project. So if you separate them now, it'll be easier later on. Okay, he died April 18th, 1955 in Princeton Hospital at the age of 76. And then make sure you still have all your websites down there at the end. And then when you're finished with that, let me know so I can double check to make sure you have everything written in sentences and in chronological order, and that everything seems like you understand what it is that you're saying. And then after that, you'll be able to go on to the next part.